Hello friends, welcome to Target RBI YouTube channel. I am Sushil Ragade, ex-manager Reserve Bank of India. I did my engineering from MIT Pune, then MBA Finance, and then my first job was in the Oracle as a business analyst. Then I work in the Allahabad Bank as assistant manager, then manager in Reserve Bank of India, and since last 7 years I am into education field. So the purpose of doing this video is nowadays everyone is talking about business analytics or data analytics field, and in the future there will be ample opportunities available for those people or those candidates who have done some certification or graduation or post graduation in this field. So now IIM Kashipur is the one of the first IIMs who started a proper MBA course. I think they started a campus program last year, and this is a first year batch for a complete Master of Business Administration. This is not a certification and this is not a diploma. This is a full-fledged MBA from IIM Kashipur, and it is for working professional. Means you don't have to leave your job. You can do your job wherever you are working, and by doing your job you can simultaneously do this degree. So that now there is a generally, suppose if you want to join any course, then there is opportunity cost because you have to leave your present job. Suppose if you are earning like 20 lakhs per year or 10 lakhs per year, and suppose if you are doing a full-fledged college, then you are not able to earn that 2 year salary. So in this case you will continue your job, and simultaneously you will get a proper MBA degree from IIM, and you will become a full alumni of IIM. And eligibility criteria is very easy. You should be a graduate in any discipline. Minimum 3 years of full time work experience is required, and those who don't have any experience at present, like those who have 1 year or 2 year, they can get the required qualification, and after 1 year and after 2 year you can definitely apply for this job, and no CAT score is required, and the modules are online as well as offline, means there are some campus immersion modules. So these are the important dates. Today is 7th January. So if you are watching this video, then try to spread these videos to your friends, your colleagues. And then there is the examination, like analytics admission test is there, and the program will start in the month of April, and you will get your final degree, MBA degree, by April 2024, and it is online mode. Some campus immersion modules are there. So this is the campus of IIM Kashipur, and if you see the building, then building is little bit similar to IIM Ahmedabad building. You might have seen that good building. So here is the message from IIM Kashipur director. So sir is saying that big data analytics market has been growing significantly. That's why they started 2 year MBA program in analytics in 2020, and now there is a growing demand for this course. That's why they have started 2 year executive MBA program in analytics from this academic year. So this is eligibility criteria. Bachelor's degree is required and minimum 3 years of work experience is required. And they have mentioned like who should attend. So working professionals seeking to advance in their career with flexible executive MBA in analytics. Entrepreneurs and business owners who want to apply analytical insights in their business practices can also attend this course. Graduates from different domains who want to pursue a career at the intersection of analytics and management. Because in data analytics now it is little bit of technical side, like technological side we can say, and some part from the management side. So a few days before I have made a video regarding the MS program in analytics and management offered by the IIM Indore and IIT Indore. That video got very good response. Near about 50,000 students or people have watched that video, and I am giving the link of that video in the comment section. You can also watch that video, because after getting that degree you will become alumni of IIT as well as IIM. So here it is a proper MBA degree from the IIM Kashipur. So both engineers and non-engineers will find this program beneficial. So these are some insights. Actually, I have taken these images from their brochure, MBA brochure, which I will post in my Telegram channel. So you can get the link in the description section. So I will just go through the slides. Wherever you want to read it, you can stop and then you can read. MBA in the age of big data and analytics. So please go through these details. These are very interesting insights. So executive MBA in analytics is a kind of a multidisciplinary degree, and it is actually an intersection of business and data. We can say this is a analytics field. So here you will get advancement in the technical skill, business fundamentals, management practices, leadership, strategy, and contemporary skills required for the business analytics, and it is called as a industry 4.0. Everyone is talking about industry 4.0, and which skills are required in the industry 4.0. These are data driven skills and some are management skills. So these are the career paths for the management professionals in analytics. Oh, the source is like Glassdoor. You might be heard about this source. So business analytics, this is the initial position, and at the end you can reach at the position of lead business analyst, project manager, analytics manager, principal product manager, senior product manager, and assistant general manager. So at higher level, salary might be in the range of 30 lakhs to 40 lakhs. So these are the subjects you will learn in the first year. So there are common subjects, but in the first year itself, they are going to teach you subject specific to related to analytics like statistics, introduction to Excel and SQL, programming in R, design thinking and innovation, decision modeling, introduction to business analytics with Python, data visualization, and data science and machine learning. These are the subjects you will study in the first year. So this is the structure of second year. So in second year, you will study most of the subject related to analytics, and these are very important section, or we can say important part of this course, that is capstone project. In capstone project, you will work on real life example. You will apply your knowledge, technical knowledge, your data visualization knowledge, data analytics knowledge to solve real life problem. And there are a lot of electives from which you can select electives related to your field or in the field in which you want to enter in future. These are the subjects and from which you have to select the 6 electives. So I have just selected 10 subjects which might be useful for you also. So because infographics, in every field infographics is required, then it is a era of digital finance, content development strategy for social media campaigns, application of game theory, artificial intelligence and deep learning, digital marketing. So these are like my favorite subject. You can select as per your liking and as per your preference or the industry you want to enter into future. Then in organizational behavior and human resource, there is a subject called leading innovation in the age of digital disruption, operations management and decision sciences, fuzzy logic and decision making, nature inspired techniques for decision making, combinational optimization and graph theory. So this is my preference. So you can select as per your requirement. Suppose if you want to enter into manufacturing field or any like Amazon also. So logistic management will be very useful in Amazon because you know that they have to deliver millions of products at millions of places. So depending upon your preference, your liking and your future plan, you can decide the elective subjects. So you can go through the pedagogy and program delivery. So this is a class schedule. So all lectures will be conducted on Saturdays and Sundays. So these are the timings so that you can manage your work as well as your course simultaneously. So here you will get information about the campus immersion, orientation and induction program. And these are the mandatory campus visits. So there is a provision of 1 week in campus classes in the first week of each term. So we have 3 terms in first year and another 3 terms in the second year. So 6 times you have to visit the campus. Overall, there will be 20 session. Duration is 75 minutes of in-person classes in each term. So during campus visits, participants shall make their own arrangements and bear lodging and boarding expenses. So you will have to pay very less amount, like around 1500 per day. So campus visits in each term are mandatory. So it's very good that you will go there, you will interact with your batchmates, and you will interchange your knowledge in the field in which you are working. So this is information related to evaluation criteria. So there will be assignment, quizzes, project work, term end examination, class participation, industry workshops are there. So concurrent and terminal feedbacks system is there, and attendance just like in any college, because this they are giving you a MBA degree. That's why 75% attendance is mandatory, and you have to attend the classes from your home or from your office. So it's not that much difficult. This is the program schedule. This is first year. Please go through it and see whether it is possible for you to do this course conveniently. Because this is very good opportunity. So I think everyone should try for this course. So I will tell you the fee structure of this course in the next slide. So this is the course structure for second year. So this is the admission process. First of all, you have to see whether you are eligible or not. Then you have to apply, and last date is 9th January. So very less time is available. Then you have to give their admission test. Then there will be interview, and in the stage 3. So 50% weightage is for the interview and 50% weightage is for their IIM Kashipur EMBA analytics admission test. So based on your overall performance in the interview and in the examination, they will give you the admission. So this is the most important slide, because the financials are very important, because that amount we have to arrange. So the overall course fee is near about 12.2 lakhs. But the good thing is that you have to pay the fees in installments, and you don't have to leave your job. Means while doing your job, you can do this course. Otherwise, in normal MBA, if you want to go to a full-time course, then you have to leave your job, you have to forego your salary. In economic terms, we can call it as a opportunity cost. So if you are earning 10 lakhs per year, then that opportunity cost is 20 lakhs. And suppose if the fees of full-time course is around 20 lakhs, then your overall cost is 40 lakhs. But here in this case, it is just 12.2 lakhs for 2 years, and in the installments you can pay. So I think you should give a serious thought regarding this MBA program, or you can tell to your friends. So thanks for watching this video, and all the best for your career. And if you want to enter into this program, then all the best for your EMBA from the IIM Kashipur in analytics.